How to make money from YouTube Shorts, your ultimate guide to turning views into cash. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting opportunities out there for content creators, YouTube Shorts. If you've been wondering how you can turn those short, snappy videos into a steady stream of income, this is the video for you. Whether you're just getting started or you've been posting shorts for a while, today's guide will help you unlock the potential of this feature. YouTube Shorts has taken the internet by storm. With millions of users scrolling through these bite-sized videos every day, it's no surprise that creators are looking for ways to monetize their efforts. But here's the thing, making money from shorts isn't just about racking up views. It's about strategy, creativity, and understanding how to leverage YouTube's algorithms and monetization features. Segment 1. Understanding YouTube Shorts. Host on camera with an engaging background showing YouTube's interface. Before we jump into the money-making strategies, let's quickly break down what YouTube Shorts are and why they're so powerful. What are YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts are vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less. They're designed to be quick, engaging, and easily digestible. Think of them as YouTube's answer to TikTok or Instagram Reels. The beauty of Shorts is that they're prominently featured on the platform, often showing up on the homepage and in the Shorts shelf, a dedicated space where viewers can scroll endlessly through new content. For creators, this means there's a huge opportunity to reach new audiences, especially since the YouTube algorithm tends to favor shorts, pushing them to more users and generating higher engagement. Segment 2. How to make money with YouTube Shorts. Alright, now let's talk about how you can actually make money from YouTube Shorts. There are several strategies to consider, so let's break them down one by one. 1. YouTube Shorts Fund. First up, we have the YouTube Shorts Fund. This is a $100 million fund that YouTube has set aside to reward creators for their work on shorts. Every month, YouTube selects thousands of creators to receive payments from this fund based on the performance of their shorts. Here's the catch: you don't need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program to qualify. Anyone creating original shorts content is eligible. YouTube will notify you if you're eligible to receive a payout, and the amounts can range from $100 to $10,000. To maximize your chances, focus on creating original content that resonates with your audience. Remember, consistency is key. The more frequently you post high-quality shorts, the better your chances of being selected for the fund. 2. Brand deals and sponsorships. Another lucrative way to monetize your shorts is through brand deals and sponsorships. As your channel grows and your shorts start gaining traction, brands may reach out to collaborate with you, or you can pitch to brands that align with your content. This is where your creativity and influence come into play. Brands are always looking for engaging ways to reach new audiences, and a well-placed product feature or brand shout-out in your shorts can be a win-win for both you and the brand. Just make sure to disclose any paid partnerships to comply with YouTube's guidelines. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn money from YouTube Shorts. Here's how it works. You promote a product or service in your shorts and include a link in the description or comments. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. What's great about affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require any upfront investment, and the earning potential is virtually limitless. The key is to choose products or services that align with your content and that your audience will genuinely find useful. 4. Merchandise sales. If you have a loyal following, consider launching your own merchandise. You can promote your merch directly in your shorts, linking to your online store where fans can purchase items. Whether it's t-shirts, hats, or even digital products like books, merchandise can be a significant revenue stream. YouTube also offers a built-in feature called Merch Shelf that allows eligible creators to showcase their merchandise directly on their channel. Imagine wearing your own branded t-shirt in a short, and viewers can immediately buy it. How cool is that? 5. Add revenue from long-form content. While shorts themselves currently don't generate traditional ad revenue, they can be a powerful tool to drive traffic to your long-form videos, which do earn ad revenue. By strategically using shorts to tease your longer videos or link viewers to more in-depth content, you can increase views on those videos and, in turn, boost your ad earnings. Segment 3. Tips for maximizing your earnings. Now that you know the different ways to monetize your YouTube Shorts, let's go over some tips to maximize your earnings. Tip 1. Optimize for the algorithm. Make sure your titles, descriptions, and tags are optimized with relevant keywords. The more discoverable your shorts are, the more views and engagement you'll get. Tip 2. Focus on high engagement content. YouTube's algorithm favors content that generates high engagement, like likes, comments, and shares. Create content that sparks conversation or encourages viewers to take action, like subscribing or checking out your other videos. Tip 3. Experiment with trends. Keep an eye on trending topics and challenges within the Shorts community. Jumping on a trend early can give your content a boost in visibility, bringing in more views and potential earnings. Tip 4. Be consistent. Consistency is key to growing your audience and increasing your chances of being included in the YouTube Shorts Fund. Set a schedule for posting and stick to it so your audience knows when to expect new content. Tip 5. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, and create content based on viewer feedback. The more you engage with your audience, the more loyal they'll become, which can lead to more views and higher earnings. Segment 4. Overcoming challenges. Monetizing YouTube Shorts isn't without its challenges. You might face issues like inconsistent views, difficulty getting into the Shorts Fund, or challenges in securing brand deals. But remember, persistence pays off. It's important to keep experimenting, learning from your analytics, and refining your content strategy. The most successful creators are those who adapt and keep pushing forward, even when the results aren't immediate. Conclusion? So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money from YouTube Shorts. Whether you're aiming for the YouTube Shorts Fund, affiliate marketing, or brand deals, the potential is huge. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about creating content you're passionate about and connecting with your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.